to be on this channel tonight. I just wanted to come on and share what I'm serving my family for tonight. So we're going to do some bourbon chicken. I did say bourbon chicken, and some fried rice. Got my wok heating up. I'm going to go ahead and put a cap full of sesame seed oil in there. It's not burning, but it's getting hot. Feel it ready for this rice. This is the all-purpose bourbon chicken marinade. You can buy this from your local public stores. And what I did is dice my chicken up very fine, which I use my chicken breast, and I marinate this sauce over my chicken overnight. And here's how my chicken is looking. I'm going to go ahead and pour that over to our chili. Next, I'm going to add a half a cup of this Mr. Yoshida's original gourmet sweet and savory sauce. I picked this up from my local Sam Club. I'm going to do half a cup. I'm going to go ahead and add us a little bit of honey to bring it all together. That would have been like anywhere from a third to half a cup of honey. You are invited for a good home cooked meal. Once you allow it to simmer, this is how it's going to look. So there you have it. Homemade bourbon chicken served with a side order of chicken fried rice. And no meal would be complete without 2 slices of lemon. So this is our dinner for tonight. So I hope you've enjoyed the time we shared together. Until next time.